Okay, so I'm going to open this document. I'm going to open this. Okay. So what this is asking you to do is identify 2 ways Pope Urban II describes the Muslims. So 2 things that he says, they're actually right here, they're bolded. So that should be easy. I just looked for the word Muslims, and then I looked for the 2 phrases that they used. So those are the 2 you can literally copy and paste. And then do you think those are positive or negative? Why or why not? And then for 1C, 2 actions post-Urban. The second says Muslims took against Christians. So they're right here. It's right after the other question, invaded the lands and has depopulated them by the sword, pillage, and fire. So those are the 2 things. And then you're going to say, how do you think the Christians feel about the Muslims? And if I'm thinking that they invaded my land and they killed a bunch of people, I probably am not too happy with them. And then you're going to do the same thing with the next one. So that should be enough to get you started. You really just have to read. It's really short. You just need to make sure you're actually looking. So I'm going to look for context clues. For example, if I'm on session 3 and they ask me what the word incite means and I don't know, I'm going to look it up. And then 3B says, based upon this line, what does Pope Urban II want Christians to do and why? So if I'm saying, let the holy sepulchre of the Lord our Savior, which is possessed by unclean nations, especially incite you. So unclean is probably a negative word. So I'm thinking that he wants Christians to probably want to fix whatever's going on, fix whatever's bad, fix whatever's unclean. For section 4, asking according to lines 28 through 30, what were they doing to each other? So there was war. You literally, it says it right here. You can do this. You can tell that you're just being overwhelmed, so just do a little bit more and you will be fine. We will get on Zoom and work on it again on Monday, but for now, just do whatever you can.